Here you have an equation of a tangent question. Now the best way to recognize an equation of a tangent question is it appears right at the end of the paper with a circle and a line that is tangent to the circle, even though it does not say work out the equation of the tangent. 4 out of 5 marks is about equation of a tangent. That's the first. Second thing is this. It's asking for the x coordinate of P. That P lies on the equation of the tangent. That is your tangent line, and that is the equation of the tangent. If you know the equation of the tangent, then that will help you work out the coordinates of P. First things first, what we know about P is we do not know the x coordinate, hence we're working it out, but we do know the y coordinate is 0. Therefore, if we did know the equation of the tangent and we substituted in y 0, it will give us the x coordinate. So we've realized you need to work out the equation of the tangent. Now, before you can work out equation of any line, you actually need 2 points. But on the tangent, we only have one proper point. This point we do not have yet, but this point we do. From my other video, from working on equation of a tangent, you will know that you actually know the gradient of this line, which is the radius, because you have 2 points there, 0, 0 and 4, 8. So let's work out the gradient of the radius. Now, the gradient is always worked out by changing y over changing x. Take away the y coordinates over take away the x coordinates. So 8 take away 0, and then y x coordinate is 4 and 0, because remember this is 0, 0. 4 take away 0. So actually the gradient of the radius is 2. Now you should know that the tangent line and the radius line meet at 90 degrees, and therefore the gradient of the tangent line is perpendicular to this radius. So perpendicular gradient is always negative reciprocal. So negative 1 over and whatever the gradient was, in this case 2. So actually, for the tangent line, which is y equals mx plus c, we actually have the gradient, which is minus a half. All we now need to do is work out the y-intercept. And for that, if we substitute in this point of the line, we can work out what c is. So, y is 8, x is 4, we tidy that up. Minus half times 4 is minus 2. If we bring the minus 2 to this side, we will now know that c is 10. So the equation of tangent is y equals minus a half x plus 10. You've pretty much got 4 out of 5 marks already by doing the equation of the tangent. Now remember what I said, because you now have the equation of the tangent, if you now know the y coordinate is 0, if you substitute that into the equation of tangent, it will give you the x coordinate. So let's do that. Y equals minus a half x plus 10. We know the y coordinate is 0. Let's bring the minus a half to this side, so it's positive a half x equals 10. Half of what is 10? X must be 20. Half of 20 is 10. So you've now worked out when y is 0, the x coordinate is 20. Thank you.